Hello, today I talk OPC. OPC is very popular in industrial automation system. OPC is a communication technique between PLC or DCS with the SCADA or HMI. First, we should know what means OPC. OPC means OLE for process control. OLE is a Microsoft Windows technique, object linking and embedding. So, OPC means object linking and embedding for process control. Now is OPC new meaning is open platform communication. But if you never use OPC, just reading OPC meaning and concept, you still don't understand what means OPC. I use one simple sentence to describe the OPC. OPC is the bridge of the communication between different PLC with different SCADA software. Before OPC come out, every company in the PLC just communication with his company in the SCADA software. It's difficult communication with other company software. For example, Siemens PLC SM400 just communication with Siemens SCADA 1CC. It's onion branded PLC control logics, compact logics. It's as SLC 500 just communication onion branded as wheel 32 and factory torque wheel. Schneider Emoticon, just communication with the wind for lean touch. If you want to 1cc FTA factory torque wheel or wind for lean touch communication each other is very difficult and more expensive. So no company want to do this way. So every company just independent to the other company. If your communication with different company is impossible. But after OPC come out, it's easy to communication each other. Look like this photo. It's Siemens company can use Siemens OPC is semantic net to communication other company in the SCADA HMI. Is Onion brand use RS Linux OPC communication. Is Schneider use OPC factory service to communication. Different company SCADA. But is every company, if you want to use OPC communication with other SCADA, you have to develop his company in the OPC service. It's called, here is Siemens OPC service, semantic LED. Here's RS Linux OPC service and OPC factory service. Also, is other companies SCADA have accepted this OPC service for the OPC standard and the protocol. OPC have service and OPC client. OPC service client follow the OPC protocol and the standard. OPC server have three types. OPC server is OPC server software or OPC client. OPC client software is independent or some OPC service client company. So maybe company developing OPC service and OPC client independent. But if you want to use OPC, you have to have two software, service and client. Or how can you use OPC service and client combining together is software. Okay. OPC service function is acquire data from external device, PLC or DCS. That means it's pick up data from PLC or DCS, just OPC service function, or response to OPC client request, then send data go to the OPC client. So it's used. If you want to do this one, you have to use OPC driver to drive the request. OPC client function, just a conversation with OPC server, acquired to update data in SCADA. So SCADA HMI can display the data, training, history, and the data analysis. So in this SCADA HMI just displays the OPC DA is and OPC HDA and OPC A and E. Here, this photo just show you OPC how to activities the data from the PLC go to the SCADA and restored storage in the data in the history database in the OPC client. Okay. Every OPC client can communication with different OPC servers at the same time on the different computer and the different network. Every OPC service can communication with different OPC client at the same time on the different computer and the different network. That's called multiple OPC behavior. Okay. OPC can run in the Windows operation system because it uses the Windows technique, COM and DCOM. COM means Components Object Model. It's a Microsoft standard described application communicate with other communication. DCOM means Distributed Components Object Model. So OPC, we often use three types: OPC-DA, OPC-HDA, OPC-A and E. OPC-DA just OPC data access. OPC-HDA is mean OPC historian data access. OPC-A and E, OPC alarm and event. Here in the SCADA, it displays the data is called OPC-DA, data access alarm. On time, yeah. If you want to display the training of the system, you can call the historian database. It's called OPC HDA. If you alarm and event activity, you can call the OPC A and E in OPC client. Okay. Here is to show you SCADA OPC how to communicate with PLC sensor DCS. Is the PLC sensor DCS use OPC-DA servers, then use common decommon the Microsoft Windows technique to communication OPC-DA client. Okay. Every PLC company has own service software. It's a very popular OPC software is KIP Server X and the Metrical OPC Explorer. These two software is independent. You can use any PLC to communication with any SCADA software. Uninstall is the KIP Server, Excel, and the Metrical OPC. But first, here's KIP Server EX. You can connect the new, you can connect any PLC. Look, new channel, Is ABB total flow and unbranded control logic isolate on the Modbus on the Siemens and almost every company. For example, I just use this one, control logics. It's channel 5 is default. We can use the isolate. Is loop back, continue. Then choose device. We use control soft logics. I use soft logics 5800. Then here is address. We can use 192, 168, 100, 100. Then is UPS slot. We use 2. That's it. So in here your tag is a new tag in the PLC. You can communication with the keep server X. After that, you can use the SCADA communication keep server. Okay. And also is the metric OPC Explorer, but I don't have any PLC driver software. If you want to use unbranded PLC in the Metricon, you have to install is a Metricon developing for is unbranded PLC servers. So I don't have. So also, if you're very interested how to use OPC, you can check my previous video. Go to my YouTube. In the search, OPC. Type in OPC. Click. You can find a lot of OPC communication. It's there. It's OPC unbranded AB Studio 5000 communication affixed by OPC is CCW communication is how to use OPC is keep server is wonderful in touch communication is i7 1500 Siemens Tide how to communication. Okay. Before we talk this, all there is class OPC technique. Modern OPC technique developing fast is called OPC UA. OPC UA, you can use across the platform, different operating system. In the future, we talk about OPC UA. In my YouTube video, we just use OPC UA communication is some PLC. It's very easy and very powerful. It is okay. Today we just talk about cluster OPC. What's mean? How to communication? How to use is OPC. If you're very interested in this OPC, you can come to with my YouTube video. You can reading and learning. Okay, thank you very much.